Today I'm going to show you how to rename components in an assembly. Now in this assembly I have a couple parts and a subassembly, and I'm going to show you how to rename these. So there's a couple different ways, but first you need to go up to your system options and make sure there's a setting that is checked. So we're going to go to Feature Manager and make sure this Allow Component Files to be Renamed from Feature Manager Tree is checked. Okay. Now that that's checked, we can go in and actually rename these individual parts in assemblies. So one of the ways to do this is to right-click on it from the Feature Manager tree and click Rename Part. And now we can see it's, well, let me drag this out. Rename Part. There we go. Now, as we can see, it's named Base, but let's say I wanted to rename this in this assembly to base with slots. And if I just click enter, now it's going to come up with a couple options. I can temporarily rename the document, which renames the document any currently open references in the document. The reason it comes up with this kind of caution is because when you rename this, it's going to cause a lot of issues with references in other assemblies and stuff like that. It will be changed in any open documents that are saved using file save. So I'm going to just say temporarily rename document, and it's going to be when we rebuild. I'm going to say yes. So now we can see it's renamed to base of slots. Now there's another way to rename parts and subassemblies, and it's called the click pause click. So what we're going to do is click on what we want to rename, then pause, and then click again. And as you can see, the same option comes up again. We're going to say L bracket with slots, and just click off, and it's going to give us the same caution. And we can also do the same exact thing with subassemblies. So I can right-click this, I can click Rename Assembly, or I could do click Pause Click, and do the same exact thing. So we're going to do base with pegs. Click enter. And so now we've renamed these in this assembly.